My name is Max. We are with Rembrain. We are addressing problem of difficulties of hiring line workers. And we do this with very simple robots available today and working today. There is a lot of tasks that hundreds of millions of people doing manually. It's real work operations. You see on the left ladies picking up 2 packages and put it in third, and it's her full-time job. And this facility had 36 people doing this job. This is a perfume dispenser. It's automated, but still has to have 24/7 people working around this to do the production. This is called tabletop assembly or tabletop production. This is the actions we focusing on to automate. It's a lot of solutions to this, and one of them is traditional automation. It's huge, big, custom-built machines, like you have to pay $1 million, wait for 1 year, and like then on any change you have to pay $100,000 and wait for a huge amount of weeks to put this into production. And some of our customers has those traditional automation, but they also have people to do their operations because they have to change products fast. And this is our answer to this. We give them humanoid. So it's not a human, but it's not humanoid. It's very simple robot with just rigid body and existing cobots on top. But we build this software-defined and computer vision driven. So it means that we can wheel it into the place where human was working yesterday, and we can show it how it should work, and it's going to work. One robot, the same robot will be able to do different operations. You can retrain it, you can repurpose it. This is what is so special about our company. We're using future learning algorithm to train our computer vision pipelines. So you see that we're showing once how to pick up this PCB and drop it in another place, and now computer vision pipeline will be able to drive this arm. It knows where to move the gripper to pick this up, and that's how we train very simple operation. But imagine we have to change operation. It took weeks usually with traditional automation. This time, like we have to pick up this small PCB on a small tail. And just one example is good enough to let robot to do this operation. So it allows us to allows our customers to not use system integrators, but just have tech-savvy production manager to use it as 3D printer. This is the case study. So we have a video where a very experienced lady who's half of a year on this operation assembling parts, and she's doing this with a very high quality and 5-second cycle. And this is how our robot was able to do this. So it's real-time video, it's not speeded up, and you see that we were able to match human productivity, but with robotic precision. And I want to share that one thing is to make the really good demo, but another thing to make robot that can work 24/7. It's a huge, huge, huge big gap between just few cases and between 24/7 operation with overall operation equipment efficiency of 92% plus. So we were able to make it, and our robot can work in a real production. It not only do just simple production operations, it's also do material handling for itself and integrating with existing machines on production, and that's how it works. So you see when parts are out, it can manage it. Another thing that's very important is, sometimes operations are not successful, and we have to handle it. We have to drop bad parts, we have to detect them, and if operation is unsuccessful, we just have to remove it from production line. But sometimes when operation is unsuccessful, we just can try one more time and it works. We built this company with a great team of computer vision engineers and genius in computer vision and user interface, and also we have manufacturing engineers who was built Tesla gigafactories, and that's where we are. So we raising our interest from customers, and it's growing fast. Thanks.
Thank you very much.